น้องหาKhlem ki benta jong kari Menteri ba kami Khlem Conrad Sangma hane ka singi ulo ang ba ki Jylla ka Thain Shatei lam Mihngi kin Pdiang Iaka uniform civil code lada kamdan ka Jingiakren halor kani ka jingkan tho kalami na Menteri ba namar bakamat UCC kala sedang kluj ha kani ka Thain Conrad ulo ang ba kin sapet ya ki jing tho ki badan ha kani ka bil bat kin Shatei halor kani namar ki la bandan ki benta ba ka Thain Shatei lam Mihngi kan lain na ka jing te kani ka code
We have to see the content, what it is, and will they cover issues? And if they say that societies that follow matrimonial systems will be exempted, so we really don't know the content of the bill. But as I said, when we, as far as the bill, the idea itself of having a uniform civil code is something that if not discussed with all stakeholders, if not discussed clearly with everybody to look into all the factors, then it's something that's very complicated, and it's something that people in Northeast will not be able to accept.
Menteri ba kami Khlem Conrad Sangma